Recording?
Yeah, g'day. My name is Luke Williams and I'm the Fiscal of Discipliner in IWA. People wonder how a comical bushwhacker can be in this disciplinary position. At one time, I was in one of the most brutalist and vicious tag teams in the business. Sheep herders / pastories, cage matches, change matches, fire matches, coal miner glove matches. We had no mercy on our opponents. Getting back to the subject here, there are 3 factions in IWA: the militia, the Arabs, and the Dominican Revolution, which consists of 6 gentlemen who are on the verge of getting suspended. 3 weeks ago, they laid their hands on me. 2 weeks ago, they did a mock burial on Miguel Perez, knocking him senseless and then draping the Dominican flag over his body. And last week, after Savio Vega pinning Joe Bravo, they did illegal means on Savio, grabbed the Puerto Rican flag and tried to torch it. Burn it, that is. Well, Dominican Revolution, I have had it up here to you. You have put me against the wall. The verbal stuff is over. The talking is over. Now it's time to get physical. Gentlemen, I have some friends in this business who you never want to get into the ring with. Take heed.